Hi there, today's walk is in Urunga. I'm doing the walk along the boardwalk. The boardwalk's about 2 kilometres return and should take me less than an hour to complete. Part of the walk goes through the mangroves. You never know what we're going to see in there, so let's go have a look. Let's go for a walk and talk. The Urunga township is located about halfway between Sydney and Brisbane. It's a good place to stop for a break, stretch your legs and even have a meal. This notice board gives us information and history about the boardwalk. In the shallow water below the boardwalk, I can see some juvenile fish. Looks a little bit like whiting to me. It's a beautiful winter's day. The water is calm and flat, just like glass. Just off to the right is the mangrove section of the boardwalk. It's closed off today as it's been damaged during recent bad weather. We don't miss out on seeing the mangroves. Here's a section of mangrove just beside the boardwalk. The boardwalk is popular with locals and tourists. Fishermen also use it to get to their favourite fishing spots. Over the years, the boardwalk has been damaged, rebuilt and extended. Its current length is about 1 kilometre. I spotted this coastal carpet python just beside the boardwalk. I saw one just like it in the mangrove tree last time I was here. Is it the same one? This one's about 2 metres long and it's just beautiful, isn't it? This is where the waters from the Kalang River join the water from the Ballinger River before going out to sea. We've come to the end of the boardwalk. Let's go down to the beach and have a bit of a look around. All the recent wild weather has washed up all different sorts of wood onto the beach. The visitors have made use of it and built all sorts of structures, just like this one. It may be a sunny day, but it's too cool to go in for a swim. I don't mind getting my feet wet though. I hope you liked this video. It's a bit of a break from my usual bushwalks, but I hope you're back doing that real soon. Urunga is definitely worth the stop. Hit the like, subscribe and bell icon if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching. Bye.